Hello! I'm going to show you how to make cold brew coffee. First, you need a container. I'm using an old yoga tub because I'm cheap, broke, and a bachelor. As you can see, it's been used a lot. Next up, grab your coffee. I'm using toffee-flavored filter coffee grinds. Why am I not grinding fresh beans? Because I don't have any. 1 heaped spoon, 2 heaped spoon, 3 heaped spoon, 4 heaped spoon. Easy. Close the lid. Don't want air getting in there. No one likes dry mold in their coffee. This is supposed to be like mixing protein shakes or whatever. Use it for water. All the water here is distilled spring water, so I'm literally just going to add tap water to this. I'm bad at this. Can you tell? Anyway, that's 2 cups of water. Add 1 more cup. A cup is about 250 ml, by the way. I like adding a little bit more than 3 cups to 4 spoons of coffee, just because I don't have a good way to filter the stuff, so a little bit goes to waste. Before I add that, I'm just going to give it a quick stir, make sure all the coffee gunk is nice and wet. And then just like dump the lid on top. Don't close it, just to keep the bugs out. And let rest for 12 hours. Afterwards, drain out, serve, enjoy. Isn't that easy? Naturally, you're welcome to add more coffee. If you like it stronger, you can let it brew a little bit longer if you like it stronger as well. I like 12 hours because the bitterness, the alkalinity of coffee doesn't come through then. I cannot handle bitterness or sourness. This has not been a TED Talk.